some of the particular patterns need us to have an angle that goes up on the edge. So this could be on this side as well. So it's very reversible on the way that you're reading the diagrams. So instead of just doing a hard stop and just going up, because some of them do have a hard stop, if it needs a slight angle, it will have a single crochet two together. And what this is that the single crochet here and here is extending over top of two single crochets that exist, but they will have the same top. So it's a single crochet two together, and it's a way of eliminating out a stitch so that when you come across and then back around just like you see, it becomes really quite easy to read. So this one then will just come on around. You'll chain one and then come on over, and this could exist on this other side as well. And in some of the letters, if it's going up like X, one side could actually be doing a decrease and the other side could be doing an increase at the same time in order to make that work. And that's something you'll have to look at the letters as you're going.